Hello everyone and welcome to this video where today I'll be explaining you about the birth of Bitcoin, a decentralized revolution. Okay, so first, the introduction. The creation of Bitcoin marked a pivotal moment in the history of finance and technology. Introduced in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin emerged as the world's first decentralized cryptocurrency. Its inception brought forth a groundbreaking concept that challenged the traditional financial system and laid the foundation of a new era of digital currency. This video explores the origins of Bitcoin, the motivations behind its creation, and the impact it has on the global landscape. The origins of Bitcoin. The story of Bitcoin's birth begins with a white paper published in October 2008 titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, authored by Satoshi Nakamoto. This document outlined the vision and technical details of a decentralized digital currency that could operate without the need for intermediaries or central authorities. Nakamoto's true identity remains unknown, adding an air of mystery to the creation of Bitcoin. Now, you might ask, what prompted Nakamoto to make this? What was his motivation for the creation? Okay. Bitcoin was born out of a combination of factors and underlying motivations. One key motivation was to address the flaws and limitations of traditional financial systems. Nakamoto sought to design a currency that was immune to censorship, resistant to inflation, and free from the control of centralized entities. The goal was to create a peer-to-peer electronic cash system that would enable direct transactions between individuals, bypassing the need for financial intermediaries such as banks. Decentralization and the blockchain. The core innovation behind Bitcoin and its decentralized nature, enabled by blockchain technology. Blockchain serves as a public ledger that records and verifies all Bitcoin transactions. It operates through a network of computers known as nodes, where each node maintains a copy of the entire transaction history. Transactions are grouped into blocks and added to the chain in a sequential and immutable manner. Mining and proof of work. To secure the network and validate transactions, Bitcoin introduced the process or concept of mining. Miners utilize powerful computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles, a process known as proof of work. The first miner to solve the puzzle earns the right to add the next block to the blockchain and is rewarded with newly minted bitcoins. This mechanism incentivizes participation and ensures the integrity of the system. Early adoption and growth. In its early years, Bitcoin gained traction within a niche community of technologists, cypherpunks, and early adopters. Its decentralized nature and potential for financial freedom appealed to those seeking an alternative to traditional financial systems. Over time, Bitcoin began to gain wider recognition, with more individuals and businesses embracing it as a means of payment and investment. The growth of cryptocurrency exchanges provided avenues for buying, selling, and trading Bitcoin, further fueling its adoption or impact on finance and technology. Bitcoin has a profound impact on the financial and technological landscape. It introduced the concept of decentralized currency, challenging the traditional financial system. The ability to conduct peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries revolutionized the way value is transferred globally. Bitcoin's underlying blockchain technology has inspired the development of numerous innovative applications and platforms. First, the financial inclusion. Bitcoin has the potential to address financial exclusion by providing access to financial services for the unbanked and underbanked populations. With just an internet connection, individuals can create a digital wallet and participate in the global financial system. This opens up opportunities for individuals in regions with limited banking and infrastructure to engage in economic activities and access financial services. Cross-border transactions. Number 2. Bitcoin's decentralized nature and global accessibility makes it an ideal solution for cross-border transactions. Traditional methods of transferring money across borders can be slow, expensive, and subjected to intermediaries. Bitcoin allows for direct borderless transactions, reducing costs and enhancing efficiency, particularly in remittances and international trade. Number 3. Disintermediation and cost reduction. By eliminating intermediaries, the disintermediation reduces transaction costs as there are no fees associated with intermediaries. Additionally, Bitcoin's ability to operate 24/7 without relying on traditional banking hours and geographical boundaries enhances convenience and accessibility. Number 4. Trust and transparency. The blockchain technology underlying Bitcoin provides transparency and immutability to transactions. Every transaction is recorded on a public ledger, visible to all participants, ensuring transparency and accountability. This trustless system removes the need to rely on third-party verification and reduces the risk of fraud or manipulation. Innovation and technological advancements. Number 5. Bitcoin's introduction has sparked a wave of technological advancements and innovations. The underlying blockchain technology has been adopted and adapted for various cases beyond finance. Smart contracts, decentralized application or DApps for short, and decentralized finance or DeFi for short. These platforms have emerged, offering new possibilities for securing transparent and programmable financial services. Number 6. Investor interest and market development. Bitcoin's success in delivering significant returns on investment has attracted the attention of investors worldwide. The growth of cryptocurrency exchanges and investments platform have made it easier for individuals to buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin. Institutional investors and traditional financial institutions have also entered the cryptocurrency market, adding legitimacy and driving further market development. Legacy and future prospects. Bitcoin's legacy extends far beyond its immediate impact. It has ignited a global movement towards decentralized systems and digital currencies. The creation of thousands of alternative cryptocurrencies, often referred to as altcoins, demonstrate the transformative potential of Bitcoin's underlying technology. Bitcoin has also raised important discussions and debates around the nature of money, the role of central banks, the future of finance. Governments and regulatory bodies worldwide are grappling with how to integrate cryptocurrencies into legal frameworks, striking a balance between consumer protection, innovation, and financial stability. As Bitcoin continues to evolve, ongoing developments focus on improving scalability, privacy, and sustainability. Layer 2 solutions, such as a Lightning Network, aim to enhance transaction speed and reduce fees. Additionally, advancements in privacy-focused technologies and consensus mechanisms, such as proof of stake, aim to address concerns regarding transaction privacy and environmental impact. In conclusion, Bitcoin's impact on finance and technology has been transformative. It has challenged the traditional financial system, empowered individuals, and inspired a wave of innovation as the world continues to embrace digital currencies. Bitcoin's legacy will persist, shaping the future of finance and technology by decentralized alternatives and redefining the concept of trust and value transfer. That is the end of this video. Thank you for watching.